How to identify fake news on WhatsApp. During the past 2 years since the first wave of COVID-19 began, your WhatsApp might have been flooded with its related news. Many conspiracy theories of China and allied nations causing and spreading the pandemic were floating. Moreover, many people capitalized on their own agendas and started circulating messages of different healing methods of curing COVID. A section of society was convinced over the idea that there is no pandemic and political parties are causing this for their own agendas. This created an atmosphere of fear among the people. Moreover, these news spread like wildfire because it proliferated people's deepest concerns for their loved ones. Along with the hysteria it created, these fake news created a much bigger problem. It was the problem of harming the genuinity of actual news. The fake news on the internet is not a new thing. Every now and then there is a news of a celebrity being dead. There are several posts of fake news that divide people in their political ideologies. Fake news has been a powerful tool in changing the course of an ongoing election. Right now we are dealing with a crisis unknowingly. It is that despite most of the news being fake, we do not tend to check its authenticity. That may be due to sheer ignorance, or we do not know how to identify fake news. While there are many platforms through which misinformation spreads, the most prominent one is through WhatsApp. Let's see the ways through which we can identify fake news on WhatsApp. The first step in identifying the authenticity of it is to check three things, viz. Who is the creator of this news? Why is it created? Is there any other source of information available? These things are the prerequisite markers to check whether a news, article or post is fake or real. You can Google a certain piece or check on Twitter or on any other digital news channel and check whether that information is present there. The second path of identifying is checking how many times a particular message has been forwarded. WhatsApp has very graciously created a feature of double arrows if the message is forwarded more than 5 times. Use that by copy-pasting it on Google. Google shows when the news was created and how it was spread. You can also copy-paste images and videos of the news and check its originality. One more important way to check the news is through using Proto. Recently, WhatsApp has collaborated with an Indian startup named Proto, in which they have launched this feature. Through this collaboration, WhatsApp has provided a number. Whenever you receive a piece of news that you need to check, you can just forward it to 964-300-888 and it will show you whether the news is genuine or not. You can forward messages, links, images and videos too. This feature from Proto is called Checkpoint Tip Line. Although there are other sources to identify fake news, the above three are prominent. A news is meant to be presented impartially with thorough research and dignity. As responsible citizens, we can contribute to this and stop the chain of spreading fake news and justify the famous proverb, trust but verify.